What's up guys, it's been nearly 3 days since I am using this ROM and now I can easily say that this ROM is one of the most smooth and solid out there. Someone who is looking after a perfect daily driver, this ROM can be considered. So welcome back to ROMs for you and let's look at latest Project 404 running on Xiaomi POCO F1. To begin with, let's quickly get into about phone session. The ROM is based upon Android 11 and version is RIPPA 4.5. Security patch is showing some other link. I'm not so sure why they are not mentioning the date. The kernel coupled is still at 2.0, which is based upon Linux 4.9. When it comes to security, the ROM does include screen lock, fingerprint, face unlock, app lock and more. Both face unlock and fingerprint are faster enough. I didn't face any lags here. Out of the box, the ROM is encrypted. Since I did flash DFE, it is showing not encrypted. When it comes to display settings, the ROM does include lock screen settings and tap to wake settings as well. Both does their job pretty well. But the ROM does lag notch hiding from this option. But if you go to developer options and display cutout session, you will get the display cutout settings. You can hide the notch from here, but the corners are not rounded. There is no option to make the corners rounded as of now. When it comes to battery settings, there are pixel thermal switchings. There are multiple thermals are available here. You can select according to your need. You will be also able to enable or disable battery notification from status bar. The ROM is pretty minimal according to many other ROMs around. There is no jaw-dropping customizations available here. Pretty minimal and pretty smoother. Under system settings, there is updater. You can see the latest version of this ROM release here. When it comes to QS panel, the ROM does includes pretty minimal tiles. There is dark mode settings available as well as screen recorder. Screen recorder is able to record internal audio and microphone at a time. After enabling it, I didn't face any jitters or lags here. When it comes to recent menu, there is option for screenshot, clear all and share as well. All does their job pretty well. When it comes to dialer, the ROM does not include any call recording features by default. If you want, you need to rely on some third-party one. Moving forward, out of the box, the ROM does pass Saftynet checks. If you come to Google Play settings, and Google Play protection is also certified. When it comes to benchmark, the Antutu scores 4,21,000 plus. The scores are a bit higher for sure. The reason is I am using the latest Antutu benchmark 9.1.3. So you don't need to get excited for these scores. Since I lost the backup of the previous version, I am using the latest version. Moving forward, the Geekbench scores for single core 427 and multi-core 2186, which are decent scores for Snapdragon 845. To understand more on performance, I did perform a 30-minute CPU throttling test. The ROM did started with a good value, but after 10 to 15 minutes there is major drops noticed. Overall, the ROM was able to pull out 1,67,000 GIPS value, which is something not great for Snapdragon 845. If you come to DRM info, under Widevine, the security level is L1. Next is gaming test BGMI with smooth plus extreme settings. The ROM was able to pull out a average performance for sure. There is frame drops noticed multiple times, which is not that much great for a gamer. Passing Saftynet, Google Play protection, overall pretty solid and smooth experience. If you are someone looking for a daily driver with moderate gaming, this ROM can be considered. You will also get really great battery backup on this ROM. So that's it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here. I'll catch you in next one.